Alright, got a new product from Transtec. It's to keep your center support from moving back and forth. It's going to take the place, you can still do it if you want, but the Sonex seals that you used to put in here and the springs and the seals was because that support would walk back and forth and they wanted to keep that from tearing up the seals. Well, this is going to do the same thing. I did notice that they have different numbers on them, and I don't know what that's about, but I'm going to find out from Transtec. I measured them and they seem to be the same, so I'm not sure what the numbers mean. I've seen all kinds, 1, 2, 3, and 4 so far. They go in there just like that. Put your snap ring in. It keeps your center support from walking back and forth. So far, they don't make it for the 6L90, but they do make it for the 6L80. And I've used it on about 3-4 transmissions so far. Run you about $25 per transmission. About $11 a piece, plus your tax and all that. So, not too expensive at all, and it'll keep your supports from walking back and forth. I'll get you the part number in the description. I'll also put it on the screen here.